Straight away, it's a little bit of drama in here. Narrow. Yes. But pretty much touching the tree there. Do you want me to reverse a bit there so you got more space? Alright. Getting that trailing, it's got the cats and something there. My hat sits still. Come out of there. Okay, slowly. Alright. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But let's put all the straps on and then get out of here. The other side is closed already, so I just got this side to do the side of the curtain. But at the same time, I just double check, making sure everything is tight. So I did it on the other side, but I do it on this side as well, just making sure everything is alright. Guess what? I just closed this, and then I've been on my way straight away. Let's go, hold on. I'm going to a farm now. I've never been to it, so I'm just gonna wreck the place. It's in Carlisle, shouldn't be too difficult to get in. But I say that and everything turns into disaster. Setting up. That's Chris. It's not that busy today in the yard. Normally it's like trucks coming in and out, but I guess it's really busy if none of the guys are here out doing deliveries and stuff. So that's a good sign. So we're all busy getting out. So alright, we're 1.2 miles away, and then I can see this little bridge, and I don't know if I need to go through it. Yeah, there's no markings on it, so should be alright going through. When it's not marking in the bridge, it means that the bridge is high enough for any kind of truck. Oof, there's some complicated roads. It's nothing too tough. So this is the road that we have to go in, but it's kind of like a turn on a slope kind of stuff. So this is the industrial estate this way, so we should be able to get past. Mate, yeah, come out. What kind of industrial estates puts car like in the middle of the roads as well? Like, that's an amazing place to park. And then the map shows me that is the farm that we have to go in, but it's not. So I'm gonna stop here for 2 seconds, ring guy that I need to go to, and probably they be able to send somebody. I got a feeling they saw the way down that way, but I'm gonna stop here for the second, put my hat on, ring up. So do I need to get it like over the bridge to get to the industrial estate?
Cross, yeah, well you can't be so far away, boss. If you're on Cross Industrial Estate,
yes,
you shouldn't be so far away from us.
Nothing's as straightforward in this job, absolutely nothing. He told me to carry on further forward, and they should be around there. So this is the bridge. It's a little bridge. It's a little confusing, this. Nothing there. That postcode was off for miles, absolutely miles. So Crosby, so car. Yes, that's the guy. That's the guy. When I saw that postcode before on the side nav, I went like, hold on, how am I meant to like take a lorry around there when it's actually just houses? Is it going to be around the church? No, but it wasn't. All right, let's assess the situation before we go in. All right, gonna have to reverse that. That's not hard enough. Yellow box. All right, go to the yellow box. All right, this is an easy reversing. So I say. A little bit more turn in the wheel steering. Don't want too much, because we're coming back in again. When I go on that yellow box there, see if I can see from this side, I can position myself. All right, trying to get my middle wheel on the first line. Start turning. We're on the box now, so just take it slowly. The trailer will bring back. Look at that, exactly on the line there what I wanted. Woo! Look at that, that was beautiful. Somebody tell me that wasn't nice. Get myself straight. Dump. All these hard deliveries that I've been going to just make me into a master. Show you this. It's not as good as I thought. I'm on the line, barely there. But I'm in it. I'm in it. The whole truck is in it, so. Let's get all this unstrapped so they can take it off, and then I'll be able to get in my truck and get in my way. I just roll this up, put them in the back, and that's it, on my way. Go one in there, so it's 4. Put this away, close the curtains, and be ready to go straight away. So I'm just gonna look at this other place now, because apparently the guy that works here has been there. He was a truck driver, something like that. He gave me the direction for the best way to get in, but I'm still gonna go on the Google map and find out what it's gonna be like. Let's have a look at this. 45 minutes to the 24 miles. This postcode to go into that house, which is not the right one. Oh, guess what? We're going in there. I think so. Yeah, says that. I don't know if you can see it. J's tow bars and some. So yeah, that's the right one. Doesn't look too difficult to come in, other than it's a little B road, but that doesn't look bad whatsoever. So let's get on the road. Gonna get to this place, the JS tow bars. Deliver is 10 pallets, and then trying to make some of my way back down to Warrington. We won't get there because I want to do 10 hours today. I did 15 yesterday and that in London. It was an absolutely nightmare. If you haven't, yeah, subscribe, like, do all that good stuff, and thank you for everything, guys. Straight away, it's a little bit of drama in here. Vehicles close. I don't want to damage the truck on that side there. It's narrow. Okay, that's very close. Yeah, it's alright there. That mirror's telling me it's alright. I just can't see nothing whether it's coming that way. Commit. But pretty much touching the tree there. Alright, no branch has been taken off. Everything's safe. Got out of there. And let's hit the next farm. Okay, I will catch you when we get there. Looks pretty nice around here. The roads, it's a little bit uneven. It's a 50-mile road. Yeah, it's not too bad. A little bit ups and downs, a little bit of everything. It doesn't seem that bad to get in. It's a normal farm, nice route to get in, nothing too dodgy. A little bit like few in and out turns, but nothing major. Oh, the other way. Oof. You see what I mean? This is the right place. So go and drop this off, trying to make some of the way back, a little bit of the way back, I will say, because I don't want to be doing some mad hours like I always do. Entrance for HGVs. Drop these 2 pallets. Farms are the job forward. All right, this is the guy that's tipping us. Do you want me to reverse a bit there so you got more space?
So you're basically sitting right here in the middle there.
Okay. I don't know why, but I kind of like the smell of the farms. I love the smell of farms. It's a good thing. It smells good. Obviously, it's my personal opinion. All right. See what I mean? All right, that's good. It says all right. So we just get down there now. Obviously, put my high base on. All right. This guy is. All right, last pallets of this side. Pallets are going out. Hey, he's taking all of them from this side. So what I can do is close the other side and put this away. So let's go and do that. Yeah, the winds. This is never gonna get easy when it's windy like this. Yes. All right. Woo! All deliveries done. Our forklift driver is going back home as well. He can't wait to get out of here, he said. He said it'd be alright to get this way. He said normally to go out that way, but he said it'd be alright going down here. So, not too difficult. Everything is done, and let's go.